Gator Animals. Tiere SelMcKenzie Selzer-McKenzie. Author D. Selzer-McKenzie. An alligator is a crocodilian in the genus Alligator of the family Alligatoridae. There are two extant alligator species, the American alligator, Alligator mississippiensis, and the Chinese alligator, Alligator sinensis. The name alligator is an anglicized form of el lagarto, the Spanish term for lizard, which early Spanish explorers and settlers in Florida called the alligator. There are many adaptations for the American alligator. Baby alligators have an egg tooth that helps them get out of their egg during hatching time. They also have a muscular flat tail that propels them forward while they swim. The alligator is notorious for its bone-crushing bites. In addition, the alligator has been described as a living fossil, having been extant for 200 million years, beginning in the Mesozoic era. Left square bracket 1 right square bracket. An average adult American alligator's weight and length is 800 pounds, 360 kilograms, and 13 feet, 4.0 meters, long. Left square bracket citation needed right square bracket, but can grow to 14.5 feet, 4.4 meters, long and weigh 1,032 pounds, 468 kilograms. 2 right square bracket. According to the Everglades National Park website, the largest alligator ever recorded in Florida was 17 feet 5 inches, 5.31 meters, although according to the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission website, the Florida state record for length is a 14 feet 5/8 inches, 4.28 meters, male from Lake Monroe in Seminole County. Left square bracket 3 right square bracket. The largest specimen ever recorded was found in Louisiana and measured 19 feet 2 inches, 5.84 meters, left square bracket 4 right square bracket. The Chinese alligator is smaller, rarely exceeding 7 feet, 2.1 meters, in length. Alligators have an average of 75 teeth. Left square bracket citation needed right square bracket. The average lifespan for an alligator is 50 years. A specimen named Mudja has resided in the Belgrade Zoo in Serbia since 1937, making it at least 73 years old. Another specimen, Abultes, in Riga Zoo, Latvia, died in 2007, being more than 75 years old. Left square bracket citation needed right square bracket. Alligators are only native to the United States and China. American alligators are found in the southeast United States, all of Florida and Louisiana, the southern parts of Georgia, Alabama and Mississippi, coastal South and North Carolina, eastern Texas, the southeast corner of Oklahoma and the southern tip of Arkansas. According to the 2005 Scholastic Book of World Records, Louisiana is the state with the largest alligator population. Left square bracket 5 right square bracket. The majority of American alligators inhabit Florida and Louisiana, with over 1 million alligators in each state. American alligators live in freshwater environments, such as ponds, marshes, wetlands, rivers, lakes, and swamps, as well as brackish environments. Left square bracket citation needed right square bracket. Southern Florida is the only place where both alligators and crocodiles live side by side. The Chinese alligator currently is found only in the Yangtze River Valley and is extremely endangered, with only a few dozen believed to be left in the wild. Indeed, far more Chinese alligators live in zoos around the world than can be found in the wild. Rockefeller Wildlife Refuge in southern Louisiana has several in captivity in an attempt to preserve the species. Miami Metro Zoo in Florida also has a breeding pair of Chinese alligators. The St. Augustine Alligator Farm Zoological Park has successfully reproduced Chinese alligators and been fortunate enough to release some of their offspring back into the wild in China. Large male alligators are solitary, territorial animals. Smaller alligators can often be found in large numbers in close proximity to each other. The largest of the species, Both males and females will defend prime territory. Smaller alligators have a higher tolerance of other alligators within a similar size class. Although alligators have a heavy body and a slow metabolism, they are capable of short bursts of speed, especially in very short lunges. Alligators' main prey is smaller animals that they can kill and eat with a single bite. Alligators may kill larger prey by grabbing it and dragging it into the water to drown. Alligators consume foods that could not be eaten in one bite by allowing it to rot or by biting and then spinning or convulsing wildly until bite-sized chunks are torn off. This is referred to as a death roll. A hardwired response developed over millions of years of evolution. Even juvenile alligators execute death rolls when presented with chunks of meat. Critical to the alligator's ability to initiate a death roll, the tail must flex to a significant angle relative to its body. An alligator with an immobilized tail cannot do a death roll. Left square bracket 6 right square bracket. Most of the muscle in an alligator's jaw evolved to bite and grip prey. The muscles that close the jaws are exceptionally powerful, however the muscles for opening their jaws are relatively weak in comparison. As a result, an adult man can hold an alligator's jaws shut with his bare hands. In general, a strip of duct tape is enough to prevent an adult alligator from opening its jaws and is one of the most common methods used when alligators are to be captured and or transported. Left square bracket 7 right square bracket. Alligators are generally timid towards humans and tend to walk or swim away if one approaches. Unfortunately, this has led some people to the practice of approaching alligators and their nests in a way that may provoke the animals into attacking. In the state of Florida, it is illegal to feed wild alligators at any time. If fed, the alligators will eventually lose their fear of humans and will learn to associate humans with food, thereby becoming a greater danger to people. Left square bracket 8 right square bracket. This section is missing citations or needs footnotes. Please help add in lean citations to guard against copyright violations and factual inaccuracies. July 2008. When young, they eat fish, insects, snails, crustaceans, and worms. As they grow, they take progressively larger prey items, including larger fish such as gar, turtles, various mammals, birds, deer and other reptiles. Their stomachs also often contain gastroliths. They will even consume carrion if they are sufficiently hungry. Adult alligators can take razorbacks and deer and are well known to kill and eat smaller alligators. In some cases, larger alligators are known to ambush dogs, the Florida panther and black bears, making it the apex predator throughout its distribution. As humans encroach onto their habitat, attacks on humans are few but not unknown. Alligators, unlike the large crocodiles, do not immediately regard a human upon encounter as prey, but may still attack in self-defense if provoked. This section is missing citations or needs footnotes. Please help add in lean citations to guard against copyright violations and factual inaccuracies. December 2008. Alligator eggs and young. Baby alligators. A rare albino American alligator. Alligators generally mature at a length of 6 feet, 1.8 meters. The mating season is in early spring. The female builds a nest of vegetation where the decomposition of the vegetation provides the heat needed to incubate the eggs.